Kia ora everybody, I'm Olivia from Progear, and today I'm going to be taking a look at a new product from Phottix. It is the M200R RGB light. This unit has got a range of effects and functions, great for photography, videography, or just playing around with. It also doubles as a power bank, so that's a handy feature too. Let's take a look. Alright, let's take a look inside. On the outside of the box we have got a picture of the unit. It's probably pretty close to life size, I'd say. Yep, there it is. So here is the lighting unit. You can see the different colour temperature options there. On the back, some instructions, indicators, dials, buttons. The mounting can be done on the bottom or the side for vertical or horizontal. The instruction manual, obviously very helpful, with a couple of stickers that you can put on the back of the unit to show the different range of colour options available. Let's take a look at some of the accessories. So, carry pouch to keep it safe. The cold shoe adapter for mounting the unit on your camera or light stand. A wrist strap. And also the charging cable. So that's a USB-C charging cable. All right, let's take a look at some of the features and functions. We'll start by turning it on with the power button at the top. And to start off with, we are in the plain white mode. You can adjust the brightness here with the wheel on the side, and you can also change the color temperature. So if I push that up, you can see it changing from cool white to a much warmer white. So that's a good standard feature. Next, we'll press the mode button, and that will take us into the color options. So you've got you've got the hue here, and if you use this button, you can scroll through all the different colors of the rainbow. 360 degrees of color. So I'll take you through the full range here. That's almost all 360 degrees there. So you can be quite precise with this. You can be very selective about what color you want. If you push the button in, you'll come down to saturation, which can just tone down the color saturation. So next we'll press the mode button again, and that will take us into the preset effects. There's 21 different presets. We won't go into all of them, but I'll just show you a couple. Here's an example of a TV effect. And here's an example of candlelight. So that was the M200R RGB light from Phottix. This retails for $229. So if you think this might be useful for your next project, get in touch with us at Progear or find the link in the description box below. Bye.